What is 5G technology?
5G technology represents the fifth generation of mobile network connectivity and brings with it a range of advancements that promise to revolutionize the way we connect, communicate, and interact with technology. Here's a breakdown of the key features and implications of 5G technology.
Faster speeds. 5G offers significantly faster download and upload speeds compared to its predecessors, potentially reaching multi-gigabit per second rates. This enables quick downloads, smoother streaming, and virtually lag-free online activities.
Lower latency. One of the most critical aspects of 5G is its reduced latency, which means there's less delay between sending a request and receiving a response. This low latency is crucial for real-time applications like online gaming, virtual reality, and remote surgeries.
Greater bandwidth. 5G provides a broader bandwidth, allowing for more data to be transmitted simultaneously. This supports the increasing demand for high-quality video content and data-intensive applications.
Massive device connectivity. 5G networks can handle a significantly higher number of connected devices in a specific area. This is essential for the proliferation of the Internet of Things, IoT, and the development of smart cities.
Millimeter wave (mmWave) technology. 5G utilizes higher frequency bands, including millimeter waves, to deliver enhanced speeds. However, mmWave signals have a shorter range, which requires more base stations for widespread coverage.
Energy efficiency. 5G networks are designed to be more energy efficient, resulting in longer device battery life and reducing the environmental impact of data transmission.
Advanced security. 5G networks introduce new security features to protect against evolving threats, ensuring that data and communications remain secure.
Diverse applications. Beyond mobile devices, 5G enables various applications, including autonomous vehicles, smart manufacturing, remote healthcare, augmented and virtual reality, and more.
Rural connectivity. 5G has the potential to bridge the digital divide by extending connectivity to rural and underserved areas, providing access to high-speed internet.
Infrastructure development. Deploying 5G networks requires significant infrastructure upgrades, including the installation of new base stations and small cells. 5G technology represents a significant leap forward in mobile communication, enabling faster, more reliable, and versatile connectivity. Its impact extends beyond mobile devices, with potential benefits for industries ranging from healthcare and transportation to entertainment and manufacturing. As 5G networks continue to expand and evolve, their role in shaping the future of technology and connectivity will become increasingly prominent.
Thank you for joining us on this tech adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Stay curious, stay tech savvy, and stay tuned to TechVerse Insights.